In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I make and use flaxseed gel for massive hair growth. Start with the preparation. I'm adding 450 ml of water. The quantity of water you add will determine how thick or thin it is. What are flax seeds? Flax seeds are small oil seeds that contain omega-3 fats, fiber, and other plant components. They may help improve digestion and reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer, and many more benefits for your health and for the hair. Flaxseed being a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin A, flaxseed can strengthen the hair and prevent breakage, which is what every of us need in our hair journey, preventing breakage, not allowing the length we've grown to fall off. I'm adding 50 gram of flaxseed to this 450 ml of water just so it can come out thick. So while this is boiling, make sure to always stir because it burns at the bottom. This doesn't need to boil for more than 5 minutes before you get the gel. So I'm using a strainer and this net so that I can get all the gel from it. So see how thick the gel came out even while still hot. So this is our flaxseed gel and how I extract mine. Sometimes when I boil the flaxseed gel, I boil it with clove or with rosemary. I just add any herb I want, but this is plain. I just want to get the full benefit of flaxseed. Last time I used flaxseed as a wash and go styler and my eyes saw flames, but right now I only use flaxseed in two ways. The first way I use flaxseed gel is as a detangler. I add water. Water makes products very receptive and easy to work with. So after adding water, I make sure that the water is damped into my hair strands and then I add my flaxseed gel. Using flaxseed as a detangler is the best way to help your hair growth journey because it will make sure that your hair is soft and easy to detangle, making it very difficult for you to lose length, which is the most important aspect of hair growth. Look how easy it is for me to just comb through my hair once, like the first time I said detangle. I have not used my hand to detangle my hair, but it looks so easy to detangle using this flaxseed. Guys, I won't even lie, aloe vera gel doesn't detangle my hair this much, and this is how much hair I lost for this section. This is just too good to be true. So this is the way I have learned to use flaxseed gel. The first way I've learned to use it is as a detangler. I swear by this, using flaxseed to detangle your hair will save you a lot of stress and a lot of hair falling off. Second way I use flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel contains omega-3 fatty acids, which nourishes hair follicles and encourages growth, and contains the B vitamin, which stimulates blood flow to the scalp. I use flaxseed gel in this second way to promote growth, which is pre-poo. Flaxseed can strengthen your hair, it can prevent premature graying, it can reduce flaking, that's dandruff, it can improve hair hydration, it can just do a lot of things for your hair and scalp, which is the reason why I prefer using it as a pre-poo, and I'm going to also try using it as a deep conditioner or incorporate it in my deep conditioning. Because what? Why not? See how it made my hair shine so much. See how beautiful my hair looked. After rinsing this off, I just felt like my hair should be this way forever.